Today, I'm going to show you what is this machine I have behind, which is the reason that we have zero mold and humidity in our house. Yes, you heard it right. You know, if you have a house and lived in Portugal, the houses have a lot of humidity and mold, and there's a reason for it. Basically, construction has improved quite a lot. The windows, PVC and aluminum are really good, and they don't let the house breathe. So we basically lock the house down. And if we don't let it breathe, guess what happens? Humidity goes up, creates the environment for mold to grow, and that's where this little machine comes in to avoid that situation for you. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the installation of the machine, its benefits, and how this is really gonna improve not only humidity, but the thing that many forget, which is air quality. Air quality is essential for a good quality of life. You want to be breathing good air and not stuffy air. So watch until the very end so you get a sense of how can you get a machine of this in your house. Here is a system that some of you might have never heard of, which is to force the circulation of the air into the house. So basically it pulls air from outside and refreshes the air across the house. This is not for heating or cooling. This is just for renovating the air in the house so you don't have air that is too heavy on CO2, but a good air for you to breathe in. And this is essential for us. It took us a really long time to be able to find someone that will give us this solution, although they told us pretty bluntly that it's not worth it for you to pay for us to come there because you're gonna pay a lot. But we'll sell you the equipment and you can install it. So that's Antonio's job. He will be doing this system. I'll be recording it so you see it and can do it as well in your place.
So the first thing we had to do is run these conducts across the house. So basically this is where the air is going to be pushed across the different divisions of the house. So there's a lot of them because we are covering a big house. We're covering a living room with kitchen, 2 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms, and this is how it looks.
This is day 2 of the installation of the VMC, and it looks pretty overwhelming, this corner here. But it's not that complicated. It's just connecting all the tubes that are going to the living room, are going to the kitchen, are going outside to pull the air. And you can see it coming across the room. And these are the ones that are going to be pulling air from outside and renovating it across the house. And we were told that we bought pretty much the Ferrari of VMC machines, that's highest quality available in the market, that's going to filtrate the air and is going to be able to pump all that air from outside, push it across the house to different divisions and renovate it.
Here is where we get technical. So I'm showing you how we connect 2 ducts here, and you're gonna notice that yellow furry thing. That's so we don't have thermal losses. We don't want to mess with the air that's coming in. We don't want it to be cool or hot, so we have that extra insulation in there. And you can see it needs 2 folks to do this magic, and you also need to wrap it with the right material. So this is very meticulously done. Now you see here Antonio, he's going and pulling one of the little octopus tentacles or spider tentacles across what's going to be that's fake ceiling. So we're going to be doing some pladur and hiding all of these tubes, of course. So this is a process that seems daunting right now, but I think it took us around 2 days to complete this work. So it's not a big issue, and even connecting the machine is not a big issue if you have the basics on electricity. We are going across the house and seeing the ducts across the different divisions of the house. We didn't do the ceiling across all of them because it was not worth it. So we did some sections, as you can see here, where the tube goes and circulates the air on that specific section. So this is how it looks. I know it looks a little bit daunting, but it's truly feasible. Here is the same solution as well. We didn't want to redo the whole ceiling, so we're just doing the section.
Here as well, as you can see, those black tubes that belongs from the VMC, the Ventilação motora forçada, that's going to circulate the air across the house, pick up the air from outside and circulate fresh air across the house. So we always have to have good quality air, and we combat as well mold situations because the air is always renovated, so it avoids you getting mold. So that's the tubes that we are finalizing, putting the system in. Time to change the filters from the VMC. When was the last time we changed them? Just for reference. 2 months ago? 3 months ago? Okay. So, make sure you put your VMC in a height that you can reach it. How bad is it? Let me see. When we wash it, that's when we see the... Well, it does look a little yucky, but this it's black anyway.
So this one is the filter of the inside.
Looks nasty. So this is basically stuff he's catching instead of us breathing this, right?
Yes.
Nasty. What are you doing, Antonio?
Cleaning the entries. So this one is the
That's
tube
a pipe that comes from the outside.
Yeah, this is the pipe that to bring
air.
So this is the pipe that's okay. Sometimes you get some dirt from the outside. So now I'm trying to clean a little bit to not get the dirt inside. Of course, that they have the filter.
So this is a little bit of maintenance.
Yeah. So we have this already for
3 years.
3 years working. Yeah. So now it's starting to have some dust that you need to time to time when we do the checkup that we need to clean up.
Do you notice when this machine is turned off on the air quality?
Yes, I think we notice more is the humidity. I think the air quality you see at night, the quality of the air is much better if you have the machine working.
So yesterday I went to sleep and I forgot to turn it on, and then I had to wake up and turn it on because I felt the air was really dense, heavy air. So once you get used to this baby, you can never get back to not having it.
Yep.
It looks a little freaking ugly, but there's models now that are much more slim and good looking.
Yeah,
but this one is a good one. First time.
So we put it, all this monster of tentacles is connected to the rooms, to the bathrooms. So the new air injects it on the rooms, and the bad air, the used air is on the wall, is on the bathrooms, that you recover the air. So it's making the air at home circulate, so that it makes that you don't get so much humidities or allergies at home.
Make a sales speech for the folks viewing us why they should get this baby.
So I think that is I think all the houses should have this, because for example in US or other houses you have a system that goes around.
An HVAC.
So you have a HVAC. Here we have the air conditioners that is for cooling or heating. So this is for the air to circulate in the house, because people close the windows. Now with the new windows, the air doesn't circulate. So then when you get in the house, you get that
moisture, funny smell and the moisture on the windows.
Yeah. So with this, it makes that the house, the air quality, I think that is an investment on the air.
What about mold? Have we ever seen mold in this house?
No, with this, it's like, since the air is circulating, because the mold needs humidity. If this absorbs the humidity, you don't have mold.
So overall, 3 years, fully happy, strongly recommend to anyone doing it.
I think that's all the houses new and recover the house. Okay, this is the most challenging to do it. That is to put the tubes connected to all the rooms. It's the most challenging. The machine, there is like different brands, different types, different powers. So but if you have the tubes, so everything then is doable.
And you install it yourself, so it's not such a big deal, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's if you know the plant, and then you where to put the tubes, then connecting to the machine, that is the easiest.
Cool.
So this is the dust that is on the filters from the VMC. So when the air circulates in the house, it gets all the dirt that is The filter collects and filter all the dirt that you don't breathe in.
This is nasty. So this is to get you, just for you to get a sense of the things you're breathing when you don't have a machine like this one. Christ. That's the outside filter, right?
Yeah, this is the outside
So
filter.
look at all the nastiness that this thing captures. This is particles
Yeah.
that are coming from the outside into your house and you're breathing them. So, I mean, for me it's a non-brainer to have a machine like this. You spend so much money in your house, you don't want to have good quality. Yeah, this is like 3 months of filters. Look at all the nastiness.
Thank you for watching this video until the very end. I hope it was helpful, and let me know in the comments, would you be installing a solution like this to avoid humidity and mold? Let me know. Thank you so much. Until the very next time.